Struggle with Afro hair, 4B hair, 4C hair, African hair, Anastasia patience. I got you. Let's do it together. Grab your seat. Let detangle together. Simple and easy, step by step. Detangling. Stay with me and keep watching. So you can see yourself. This is my daughter's 4C hair. This hair can really gives you a tough time when it comes to washing, detangling up to styling. It's really tough to handle. So family, cut with me some aloe from my own garden to prepare homemade aloe vera gel to detangle my daughter's 4C hair. This is the importance of having aloe vera plant around your house. It's just amazing. On this point, I'm preparing my homemade aloe vera gel. You know, there's nothing happier than preparing your own homemade or your DIY for your personal uses. You know, this aloe vera gel, you can use it as hair conditioner, hair detangler, moisturizer, deep conditioner, or spray. You can, or leave-in conditioner. You can use it for so many things. So it's really good. If you haven't give it a try, kindly give it a try. I'm preparing this for my daughter 4C hair. I'm going to detangle her hair with this, and I am so excited because there's no harsh chemicals, or there's nothing harsh in it that may damage the hair. Everything is just amazing. You know, aloe vera have everything we need for our hair. Hello beautiful family, I highly welcome you to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Anastasia Patience. I am a guide to wellness and emotional well-being. If you want to learn more about practical and effective way to find peace and balance in life, or if you just want to expand your knowledge, kindly hit the subscriber button and the notification bell so you never miss any of my future video ever again. And if you are a return subscriber, I highly thank you, and I like your support, your love, and I thank you again for coming back. Without further ado, let's jump to the topic. Today, Anastasia Patience, we are going to detangle this beautiful hair with the beautiful product. So let's start it. Let's part the hair together. We need to part the hair into at least 3 and 4 parts in order to get it easily and simple as. So without further ado, let's jump to the topic. So as you can see, I need my 2 tools. You don't need too many tools. This is my wide comb, my diamond brush, and my homemade aloe vera gel. This is all you need. Just simple and easy, step by step, how to detangle this hair. So if you are struggling with 4C hair, guys, I urge you, grab your seat and keep watching. Just watch it with me up to the end of the video. The only thing I need from you is just grab your seat, watch it up to the end, and you will never regret it. You see, it's sometimes we know that our African hair or Afro hair are beautiful hair, very strong, healthy, and thick, and it is really tough. It's stressful to handle it, but with this simple method, you will see the difference. So you need, if you have 4C hair, if you have children, if you are struggling with 4C hair, how to grow your hair, you just need to sit and watch this video up to the end, and you will love it. You will never regret it. I want you to watch it to the end and come back and give me a report. You know, then the good thing about this product is that it's really grow her hair. Her hair is growing fast. very, very, very fast. She got a long hair, healthier, thick, and strong. This aloe vera is just amazing. Keep watching, okay? Keep watching. Now this is the secret. So as you can see it yourself, look at how this hair look like, how it shine. Just see how I pat it, how soft and moisturized it is. This hair is, I didn't wash it, okay? It's not washed because I didn't want to wash the hair in order for the hair to get tangled, because normally when I do this hair it takes me a whole day. But look, when I find out this simple way of doing this hair, I don't wash the hair anymore. The hair was braided. I just unbraid it, and then I'm using the aloe vera gel directly on the dry hair, so you can see. Very easy. You see how it's actually, it's amazing. The lovely part is that the moment the gel touches the hair, when you spray the aloe vera gel on the hair, on the dry hair, you see how it relaxes the hair, moisturize it, and make it shine. It's just amazing, and it makes everything simple and easy, flexible to detangle the hair. So keep your eyes on it. Keep watching how this gel works on our hair. See, I just look at immediately look what happened. It's just like a magic. It's amazing. Look how you can detangle, how it look like. Do you see? This is no shampoo, no conditioner, no oil, no water, nothing, just aloe vera gel, homemade. See? Now I'm using my wide comb. See how flexible. Look at the edge. See the edge. Look at the hair. Wow. Family, I want you guys to leave your thought, your opinion under the comment section. The comment section, it's all yours. I want you people, look at that hair. Oh my God, look at how it is. Look, isn't it amazing? Look how you can detangle. Look how it is. Very easy, simple. See? Normally when I'm doing my daughter's hair, she will be screaming, she will be crying, she will be saying many things because she's very sensitive. So it's really hard for me seeing her struggling, and both of us struggle as look how my finger, why even you can just detangle it with your own finger, not even the brush, not the comb, just the finger detangle. See how moisturized it. Oh my goodness. It helped the hair also grow. Her hair is growing. Look at the length. See? Soft. It just relax the hair. I mean, when you touch it, it's just like you relax the hair. Beautiful. Look at it. Wow. So now I'm trying to twist it. I will twist it because now I'm just trying to do everything and see her reaction. And as you can see that she relaxed. I don't think she's even feeling that I'm doing anything. See how relaxed she is. So I highly encourage you guys to give it a try, and you really love it. And try and be on natural journey, because this method, this is what I use for myself and my daughter, and honestly speaking, it has really helped us our hair are just growing. You saw my hair in the last video. I'll put the link down below so you can have a look how fast I grew my hair, you know. And my daughter's hair is getting longer and longer and healthier and thicker, you know. Her hair is just too much. So in this way, I'm not going to style anything. We are just going to wash it, and after washing it, I will use aloe vera again, and I will just make a protective style for her, because now school is closed and she's not going anywhere, so she want to have her hair just casual. So we are not doing anything special, just how to detangle, so you can see how the gel bring back the curls. You see, even you can use the gel as detangler, conditioner, curl activator, anyhow you want it, you know. It's just beautiful. These things, this aloe vera, the gel, you can use it in a different way. So I urge you to give it a try. Okay, just keep watching. Look at the length. See the length. See how beautiful curls. See it. That is all I've got. You see, the good thing is that it moisturizes the hair. It's just amazing. Very easy to detangle. So that is all, family. I hope you like this video. If you liked this video, please kindly give it thumb up, comment below, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and put your notification bell. So I see you in my next video. I love you, but God loves you more than I do. See you. Bye bye.
Watching Visions TV, Big TV, Visions, move mountains.